Hello and welcome to another Excel tip. Today I'll show you two quick ways to find and display formulas in your workbook. First, let's locate cells containing formulas. Press Ctrl G or F5 to open the Go To dialog box. Click Special, select Formulas and hit OK. Excel will select all cells with formulas. Just need to highlight them to make them visible for you. This trick is super useful when you're troubleshooting or need to quickly check your formulas across a large spreadsheet. Now to view these formulas, we'll use a simple shortcut. Press Ctrl tilde, that's usually the key above the tab, and your sheet now displays all formulas instead of their results. To switch back to normal view, just press Ctrl tilde again. Remember, Ctrl G to find formula cells and Ctrl tilde to toggle formula display. Give it a try in your own workbooks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.